Hello everyone, welcome to Narayana Tech House. This is Narayana. In this data analytics series, I am going to explain all data analytics concepts with real life examples. If you want to become data analyst, then don't miss this series. Please subscribe our channel Narayana Tech House and click on bell icon to get the notification. Please share our videos with your friends also. In the previous video, we have discussed up to loading the data into data warehouse after required transformations. Now, let's continue with.
Let's take guys. I want to analyze how the movie is. Whether the movie is like good or bad or worst or hit or super hit. I want to analyze how based on the reviews, based on the ratings, Okay. So then now where the ratings are available, where the reviews are available, tell me now, all of you. the reviews the reviews available maybe in the YouTube videos, in the YouTube, the reviews available maybe in the Instagram, movie reviews, okay, or reviews available maybe in the Twitter also, Twitter guys, or the reviews available maybe in the some new channels also, YouTube channels or new channels also, some reviews ratings are there, right? Now what do? I collect what the reviews from all the sources. All of observe here, from all the sources. Then what we do? Some changes we do here. What changes means sometimes below the YouTube video, suppose here video is playing, below comments are there. Sometimes the same person, the same commenter, it will give three, four times, right? Now, these all are not required. Take only one. Take one. Remaining duplicates not required. Remove the duplicates. That's what, where we remove. Here we remove, guys. It's one of the transformation. Or some people, what they do, they will not give any comment. They don't give any review. Simply they give thumbs up symbol, or they give some fire symbol, or some smile symbol, guys. Okay. The type also remove, right? Means so removing duplicate ratings, remove meaningless. If any meaningless is there, remove those type of comments. That's all which one transformations. That's what we do. It's like that. What we do transformations, and then finally that later the data load into data warehouse. This is called what here? ETL operation, guys. What do you call it here? ETL operation. Now, total how much data here? 2,000, 5,000, 8,000, 7,000. Total how much now? 14, 22,000, all of you. So means on the specific day, totally 22,000 sales are done, guys. Now, checking all the rows is not easy again. Checking all the rows not easy because now we have some requirement. I want to see area wise, highest sale. What is the area wise highest sale? All of you. This is my requirement now. I want to show area wise highest sale, right? Highest sale. Like in Hyderabad, what is the highest sale? In Bangalore, what is the highest sale? So like that. Second one, I want to check here, like product performance, guys. Product performance. How the buckets sales are going on. Anybody buying the buckets or not? Anybody buying the shoes or not? If buying, which company going more sales? Which company? Like that, I want to check the product performance, guys. Right? So like that, checking this type of data in the table is not easy. Why? Because lot of rows are there. That's why what we do. So as per this requirement, okay. As per this requirement, sir. So what we do, we'll take the data and then that output, that answer we show in the form of the graphs. All of you, okay. The result for the question, we show in the form of the graphs, so that understanding is very easy. Understanding is very easy, guys. Okay. Now, what do I do here? See, what do I do means, let's see now area wise sales, guys. Okay. So what's first area as per this example, Ameerpet, right? First Ameerpet is there. Next, what is there here? Sanat Nagar is there. Next, Koti is there. Okay, Koti is there. Next, something Madhapur is there. Okay, Madhapur is there, guys. And sales, like here 10,000 sales, okay, 8,000 sales, right? 6,000 sales, 4,000 sales, 2,000 sales, all of like that sales are there. Right. Now observe here in AP, in Ameerpet, how many sales are 2,000 sales, right? 2,000 sales. In Sanat Nagar, how many? 5,000, okay, in the middle, guys, right? 5,000 sales. In Koti, how many? 8,000 sales. 8,000 like this. Then this report we give to whom? We give to the owner. We give to the management, guys. So he is the manager. He is the management, maybe owner or admin, whatever it is, the management team. So as a data analyst person, all of you, analyst person, that is our work. Okay. So finally, what we do? The graphs we are creating and giving to whom? Management. That means we are helping them to take the better decision. All of right. So now the management, what they do, they check the graph, they understand what they understand. In Ameerpet, less sales are there. Why? What is the reason? That is the question, guys. Now, what is the reason? Second, in Sanatnagar also less sales only going on. That is also what is the reason, right? Now they start some research, guys. They do now which one? Some research now. What is the reason? Why less sales are going on? Right? They start the research. All of you. So then they come to know some points. They come to know some reasons for the less sales. What is the reason? It can be prices in that area, because in Sanatanagar, in Ameerpet, all students are there. Almost all students are there in Ameerpet. So because of high prices, they coming to shop, but not buying, they go back. Without buying, they go back. Why? Because almost all students are there. They can't afford the more prices. That may be reason. At that time, what they do, they may decrease some price here. They may decrease some price in Ameerpet. They may give the offers in Ameerpet. Buy one, get one. Ashadam sale, halaf, right? Summer sale. They may give the offers. Why offers giving to increase their sales, guys? To increase their sales. Like that, what they do, they come up with new ideas, guys. They come up with new ideas. That's called a decision making, guys. That's called what here? A decision making. They are called decision makers. They're called what? Decision makers, guys. Decision makers. And we people, we are which one? Data analyst person. Data analyst, guys. We are the data analyst. So internally, what is happening means we are helping to the decision makers to take the better decision by seeing this graph. We are not just telling them, sir, in Ameerpet sales are there, sir, or in Karnataka sales are there. Just we are not telling the words. We are not telling just. We are showing them proof. That is called informed decision, guys. That's called what? Informed decisions. Informed decisions. That means what here? That means the decision which is taking by proof. Right? See, we are showing them proof. What is the proof? Why this proof? In Ameerpet, less sales are there. For that, this is the proof. Then they take decision. That's called what? Informed decision. Informed decision means what? Taking decision by observing the proof. If you say in normal words without any proof, if you tell them, then it maybe helps to management or it maybe destroy the management, the business also, right? So now, if you observe here, in every business, guys, if you observe now, just I give the very few examples, okay. So in every business, okay, lot of data is there, guys, right? Lot of data generating in every business. If you see in Instagram, data means what? So in Instagram, whatever you do internally, all your actions they are tracking, guys. Whatever you do, either you like a post, you share reels to some people, or you give one comment, or you post one video, okay, just you browse it for half an hour, just you browse Instagram means just you are scrolling, what you call it here, just to scroll for half an hour. So everything whatever you do they track you, suppose now imagine now, my name is Narayana, I open the Instagram for some time, what happened here, I'm scrolling internal they record, okay, Narayana not liking the videos, not sharing the videos, no comment giving, no post uploading, just only scrolling only. That also what type of videos he is scrolling, what type of videos he is scrolling. He is scrolling some any technical videos, or he is scrolling means is interested for any dance videos, or is scrolling for any political videos, like that. Again, whatever you scroll, they track you. And later what they do, they recommend whatever you're interested, guys. Suppose now imagine here, I am scrolling every day I'm scrolling some dance videos, right? Then tomorrow, open your Instagram, what will be there? All dance videos are there. Yes or no? By using all your previous history, they recommend you, right? So I'll give an example, guys. It happened just very recently in the X. X means what? You know, Twitter, right? Twitter, guys. One student, what happened? One student, guys, okay. In his home, the student along with parents all are there sitting in the hall and watching some movies. At that time, his father observed his Instagram. All new videos are there. Suddenly closed the video, that mobile, and later he messaged to X, he messaged to Twitter management. What he messaged, are idiots. Why are you sending me all the type of videos to me? Don't send me the type of videos like that. Who messaged that customer message to management? And then management give a reply. What they give a reply? Are idiot. Okay. That videos we're not giving to you. That's coming to you because of your previous history. So that's why what is happening here means whatever we do, that all data they're tracking internally, and then they recommend the type of videos, guys. Okay, so here we people are helping to management to take which one a better decision, guys, for every business. Who is important generally for business means customers most important, right? Customers most important. In the same way, in the same level, okay, along with customers, who require compulsorily, we require the data analyst person also required compulsorily. Both are required for a business, guys. Now both required for business, customers required in the same way we required here data analyst required. Without customers, we can't run the business. The same way, customers are there, analyst is not there, we can't run the business again. We can't run the business. All of it. If you observe now, for every business, guys, if you see whatever names I given, few names, these are all business depending on the customers. Depending on the customers. If customers not using any business, then they must close it, guys. Why? They can't maintain. If no customers are there, they can't maintain, right? Suppose imagine now, for example, guys, Google Pay is there, and Google Pay is there. So nobody going for Google Pay. Nobody using the Google Pay. For example, all using what? Phone Pay, Phone Pay, Phone Pay. Then the Google Pay, they try to do a lot of changes to attract the customers, but still no customers using the Google Pay. Then what they do? They close it compulsorily after a few days, after a few months, right? If customers are not there, they have to close that. Customers are there, then how to improve more? Then we require here again data analyst required, guys. Data analyst required to help the business to improve purpose. For improve purpose, guys. All of data analyst person help to management in the development of business, guys. Development of a business. Okay. So in this case, what skills we are going to use, sir? Right, as a data analyst person, what skills required for me, sir? Right. So here, guys, the very base one is SQL. SQL is the most important basic, guys. The second one is Python. But second one, Python. Then the third one is either Excel, or generally we can also use what DAX, guys. Okay, DAX, right? And then the very important is again Power BI, guys. Okay, Power BI or Tableau, anyone, right?